Hey everyone, welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Spider-Man Noir. We're going to get started at the top of our page with the top edge of the goggles. So let's start on the outside. We start with a curve going up and then down. Go up to the top of the goggle, and I'm just going to bend this down and in. Let's draw that same curve on the opposite side. So we're going to start on the inside, curve up to the top, and then I'll just bend that down. Now we're going to draw on the bottom edge of the goggle. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to curve down and then back up towards the inside. Start with a straight line coming down, round this out. I'm just going to pull that up and then in. Let's draw the same thing on the right side. Starting on the inside, we'll curve down to the same height, go up along the side, and then straight up. Let's go in and trace the goggles along the inside. Starting on the left, we're going to leave an even space gap all the way around. Now I'm going to draw the inside edge of the goggle. Starting from the inside corner, we're going to step in, curve down. We're just going to taper this along the bottom of the goggle. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to connect the goggles with a strap. Starting from the center on the left, we're going to curve up and then down. Now we're going to go up towards the top and curve in the opposite direction, curving down, across, and then up. Now we're going to move up and draw on the top of the head. It's like a large half circle. From the corner of the goggle on the left, we're going to step in, curve around, and up towards the top. We're going to round up the top of the head, and then bring this back down on the right side. Now we're going to draw on the lower part of the head. Starting on the left side underneath the goggle, curve down towards the chin, and we'll pull that back up on the right side. Now I just want to add some wrinkles along the lower part of the mask. Starting from the inside edge of the left eye, we're going to curve down and out. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to go to the outside and curve down and in. Let's move up to the top and add in the stitching. Starting from the center at the very top of the head, we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the center of the goggle. Now from the right side, we're going to curve up and out towards the right side of the head. I'm going to line this up on the left side and curve down and in towards the inside edge of the left goggle. Let's go in and add some stitches along the center. Starting from the top, we're going to draw a short line going across. I'm just going to angle the second one coming down, and then we'll go in the opposite direction just below it. And we'll draw 2 more stitches going across. Let's add some stitches along the side. Starting from the left, the angled line, we're going to draw a few more along the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now that we completed the head, let's work our way down the body. I'm going to leave a large gap in the center. On the left side, we're going to draw the inside edge of the coat. I'm going to curve out and then down towards the bottom of the coat. We're going to take that and flip it over on the right. So let's line this up. Curve out and then down. Now we're going to add in the large collar of the coat. Starting on the left, from this line, we're going to curve this up and out towards the left. Now we're going to line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now let's curl the collar down. Curving out and then down. Now I'm just going to go up and then pull that in underneath the head. Now we're going to take this point in the collar and just follow that same curve going up underneath the head. Let's move down and draw on the lower edge of the collar. Starting from the left, we're going to angle down and out on both sides. And then from the end, we're going to draw 2 angled lines coming in towards the inside of the coat. Let's draw on the bottom of the coat. Starting from the left, we're going to draw a curve going out and up towards the side of the body. Now from here, we're going to draw the side of the body going up towards the collar. Starting from the left, Curve this up and in. We're not going to go all the way. We're going to leave a little gap underneath the collar. Now about halfway down the coat, we're going to draw on the belt. Starting from the left, curve down, and then back up on the right. Now we're going to step down and draw that same curve for the bottom part of the belt. Let's add in the buckle. Leaving a gap in the center, we draw 2 straight lines coming down. Now let's move back up underneath the chin. Starting on the left, we're going to curve down and up. We're going to step down and draw that same curve. Now let's add some vertical lines in underneath the chin. Starting from the left, we're just going to draw some even spaced lines all the way across. Now inside the body, we're going to add 4 buttons, 2 along the top and 2 along the bottom. So start on the top left, land in the circle, move towards the right. Now we're going to pull these down. 1 on the left, and then 1 on the right. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. The arm on the left is going to be holding the gun. So on the outside of the collar, we start with the upper arm, angling down and out. Then we're going to angle up and out towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to curl around the thumb. So start up here, we're going to go in, round out the thumb. Now the tip of the thumb, we're just going to pull this back up. Let's draw on the palm. We're just going to hook this in and down. Now at the end of the thumb, we're going to tuck 3 fingers in behind. Starting at the edge of the thumb, we're going to draw 1 half oval going around. Now at the outside of this finger, we're going to draw another finger going around. Now we're just going to pull this up underneath the thumb. We'll draw 1 more finger going around and then in. Let's add the bottom of the gun underneath this finger. We'll draw 2 short lines coming down in an angle. We'll close off the end with a straight line. Now underneath the handle, I want to draw on the lower part of the hand. We're going to curve down and we're going to aim up towards the wrist. Now we're going to add the cuff of the coat. From here, curve down, we're going to round out the edge of the coat and go in behind the palm. Let's add in the arm. From that same point, I'm just going to angle down in behind the cuff. Now I'm going to draw on the lower part of the arm, starting from the bottom part of the cuff, curve down and then in towards the elbow to right about there. Now I'm just going to pull this up underneath the body, angling up with a curve going in. Now I just want to take this curve, we're going to duplicate that, stepping in, just going to follow that all the way across. Now let's go back up and draw on the gun. Just up above this finger, we're going to draw an angled line going up and out. We're going to flatten this off, going up. Now let's pull this back down. We're going to come down and in. We're going to draw a curve, curving in, back out just up above the thumb, and we'll angle down in behind the thumb. Now we're going to add the trigger around the first finger. Underneath the gun, we're just going to curve around the finger and then back in. Now at the back of the gun here, from this point, we're going to go across and then up. We're going to flatten this off. I'm just going to connect this point to the bottom of the gun with a curve. Let's go back to the top corner of the gun. We're going to extend this line, going all the way to the tip of the gun. We're going to flatten off the end, and then we'll just pull that back in. Let's draw on the lower part of the gun. About halfway along this line, draw a short line coming across, and then back in. Let's add a small square to the tip of the gun. Up here we're going to draw 2 short lines going up. We'll close off the end. Now on the inside I want to add a rectangle. We're going to start along this line, we're going to step in, draw a line going across, come down and in, and then we'll close off the bottom. Now let's move over to the right side. This arm is just going to be hanging down. So we're going to line up the bottom of the arm from the left to right, curve out and down towards the wrist. Now let's add in the thumb, draw in a small half circle, and at the end of the circle we're going to draw in a bracket. Now at the bottom curve of this thumb, I'm going to curve down and up around that bracket, step down, we're drawing the second finger, curve down and up. Now the third finger, we're going to curve around up towards the wrist. Let's go back to the inside of the wrist, I'm going to curve across and over that line. We're going to extend this out. I just want to pull this arm up in behind the collar. Go up and pull that in. Let's add in the cuff. Taking this curve, we're going to step up. We're just going to duplicate that. Now we can go back to the inside and draw on the legs. In the center, I'm going to step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then back down. Leaving a gap in the center, I'm going to move to the left side, curve out and down towards the left heel, and then out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel on the left, we're going to curve down and up towards the toe, and then we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now back on the left, I'm going to draw on the top of the foot. We're going to curve up. I'm just going to pull this down, aiming towards the heel. We'll stop right about there. Do the same thing on the right, curving up and then aiming towards the heel. Let's thicken up the sole. We're going to take this curve. I'm going to step up from the toe, curve down and up towards the heel. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to go back to the left side. We're going to draw on the outside of the leg. From the top curve of the foot, curve out and up underneath the coat. Let's do the same thing on the right, curving out and up. Let's draw on the edge of the boot, just underneath the coat. We're going to step down, curve down and up. We'll do that on both sides. Now we're just going to add some laces. From the outside leg, I want to step in, draw a straight line coming down on top of the foot. Do the same thing on the right. I just want to draw one straight line going across just over that line. And now the last thing we're going to do is add the back side of the coat in between the legs. So underneath the lower torso, I'm going to step down, draw a curve going across. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Spider-Man Noir. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.